Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap district heights, local and long-distance movers near me. With the right long-distance moving company, you can complete your move much faster. 3 movers provide access to free moving services that ensure that your long-distance move is made flawlessly and faster. Whether you are moving 2,000 miles or 3,000 miles away, we can easily handle the move. No matter the distance or size of the movie, 3 movers are experts in moving their clients from their old destination to the new one. Along with basic and common moving services, we also offer packing and unpacking services, transparent pricing, supplying packing materials, and an on-time move. You might be tempted to shift your belongings to your new home all by yourself when your new home is just a few blocks away. But once you start packing your stuff, you will realize it is not as easy as it seems. Therefore, it is considered best to hire a moving company for your local move. 3 Movers is a local moving company that offers you the best moving services to make your local move an easy one. You can rely on us for your local move while focusing on other things. We will get you in one afternoon to have all the time you need to kickstart your day at your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our District Heights moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.